Good afternoon. My name is David Beata, the CEO here at Beata Home Healthcare. Today is Friday, October 2nd, and this is your weekly COVID-19 CEO update. I'd like to start by sharing some experience and some great news about the incredible generosity over the past 6 months during this pandemic, where we've leveraged our nonprofit status to quickly organize the ability to solicit philanthropic contributions into a fund that we have directed towards employee relief. And it really all started when we started to see the stress that our employees, you all, were facing in your personal lives and in your professional life because of the pandemic, whether it was daycare shutting down or loss of hours due to COVID exposure, or other elements of stress and financial stress in particular. We saw an opportunity and a responsibility to figure out how can we raise money through philanthropic generosity and contributions, and then redirect it in the form of small grants to our employees in need. And so we created the COVID-19 Employee Response Fund and have had incredible response. We in the past 4 months helped 675 Beata employees with grants totaling over $275,000. And these are just a small example of some of the stories, and you can see them on the screen where people have lost daycare and needed extra funding for childcare so that they could still take care of their clients during the day. People that have been exposed to COVID, whether it's in their personal life or during their work life, or a spouse you can see tested positive and created an exposure situation leading to a CNA, Yvonne, not being able to work and needing financial assistance. These are really difficult situations, and our ability just to even help with small grants, a couple $100 here, $50 there, have made massive impact on our employees. And it's because of all of your generosity that this has been possible. And so I want to revisit our call to action, where you can make contributions to this incredible fund, but also you can make requests. And so for those of you that are watching that are interested in supporting, you can contribute $5 or $7 or $2 or $500 if you're so moved. But also, if you're finding yourself in a position of financial stress and you need help, please ask. We are working really hard to raise money to be able to be giving these grants to help you navigate these obstacles that are COVID induced in particular. So I think this is an incredible story, and I'm really eager to help more people. Next, I'd like to hand it over to Nora to share a little bit of a window into our Heroes of the Year that we just celebrated last week with the culmination of our annual award program, the Heroes program. Nora?
Thank you, David. And again, as we send you off into the weekend, we always want to express our heartfelt gratitude for all the work that each and every one of you have done during this pandemic. Special shout out, as David said, to our Heroes of the Year. This is a long-standing tradition in our organization, and the pandemic may have impacted exactly how we celebrate it. But these 4 women are just examples of what goes on across our organization, and we want to shout out to them. So Stacy Fortin, HabTech, Lisa Wedman, home health physical therapist, Michelle Bryson-Gett, who's in our pediatric practice as an LPN, and Jennifer Bradley, a registered nurse in the hospice program. So these 4 certainly are Heroes of the Year. We want to congratulate them and thank them for going above and beyond in living the Beata way and achieving that mission. But we know that this goes on day in and day out behind those doors in all of our homes. I want to thank each and every one of you for all you do on behalf of the clients that we serve.
Thanks, Nora. And I'll just underscore in closing that admiration and gratitude, not just for Stacy, Lisa, Michelle, and Jennifer, but for all of the clinicians out there that they represent with this recognition. The Heroes program starts at the local level, where a hero is selected in each of these 4 categories every quarter in every office, rising to the division and region and practice level, ultimately to our annual award at our awards event each year. And really, these 4 incredible heroes are just the faces of all the incredible work that's happening every day in every home. And so thanks to each and every one of you. Congratulations to these 4, and we will see you next week.